ultimate drone buying guide for total beginners 2023. Are you thinking about buying a drone? If so, you have come to the right place. In this ultimate drone buying guide for total beginners, we'll cover everything you need to know before making your purchase. We'll discuss the different types of drones available on the market, as well as the features that are important to consider. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision about which drone is right for you. Drones are no longer just a futuristic dream. They are a reality that's accessible to all. Whether you are an aspiring filmmaker, a curious hobbyist, or just looking for a fun new toy, there's never been a better time to buy a drone. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why we have created the Ultimate Drone Buying Guide for Total Beginner 2023 to help you make the best decisions for your needs and budget. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes as we guide you through the exciting world of drones and show you everything you need to know to find the perfect one for you. In this video, we are going to show you the Ultimate Drone Buying Guide for Total Beginners 2023. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now, let's get started. What are drones and how do they work? Drones are becoming increasingly popular both in industry and among hobbyists. They are small robotic aircraft, typically controlled remotely by a pilot on the ground. The drone is equipped with sensors and cameras that send live footage to the controller, allowing for high-quality surveillance and data collection. Through GPS technology, drones can keep a predetermined course or even hover in one spot. The applications of drone range from commercial delivery services to search and rescue operation. They have already revolutionized many industries, from filmmaking to agriculture. With the development of newer technologies, drone will likely become part of our lives more and more each day. Why you should buy a drone? If you're looking to have some outdoor fun and capture stunning views of your surroundings, a drone is just what you need. With a drone, you can take breathtaking aerial photographs and videos, something that a regular camera simply doesn't offer. From being able to explore hard-to-reach places from the comfort of your own home to locations far away, hosting a unique data gathering capability for agricultural purposes, and providing products for educational purposes, there are no limits when it comes to the creative options available with a drone. It can be used both as an entertaining hobby and as a useful tool for businesses or professionals. By investing in one today, you'll open up many opportunities for great experiences, not just now, but in the future too. The different types of drones available on the market. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They are a revolutionary way to explore the skies, as well as a great tool for recreational activities or taking pictures from extraordinary perspectives. Whether you are a professional photographer or just getting started in the world of aerial cinematography, there is no doubt that drones have taken the market by storm in recent years. With so many different options for drones available, there's something out there for everyone. The best part is that technology has advanced to the point where it doesn't always mean shelling out an arm and a leg. More affordable models can fit most budgets. It's exciting to see what advances will be made in this fascinating industry with each passing year. How to choose the right drone for you? Shopping for a drone can be an overwhelming experience with so many options on the market, from professional models to kid-friendly version. How do you decide which type is right for you? Researching what drone works best for your applications is a great place to start. Consider factors such as payload weight or maximum flight time and ensure that it meets your individual needs. Additionally, take note of customer reviews to gain a better understanding of customer satisfaction with the product. Once you have narrowed your choices, compare prices and features. This will help you make an informed decision while selecting the perfect drone for you. Best drone for beginners. Drones are a modern invention that has become increasingly popular in the past few years, and it's no wonder they offer unprecedented bird's-eye views of landscapes, events, and moments that can be shared with friends around the world. If you're just dipping your toes into that drone mastery pool, each models are perfect for beginners. Whether you want something easy to fly or an affordably priced entry model, these beginner drones will have you taking pictures like a pro in no time. Plus, they make great holiday or birthday gifts. Get ready to explore the wide world of aerial photography. The best drone for beginners await. How to fly a drone safely. Flying a drone is an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's important to be aware of safety tips while doing so. Before taking your drone off the ground, check out the FAA guidelines for flying your drone safely and legally. It is also essential to have plenty of practice before taking your first flight. Get familiar with the controls and use a training area to hone your flying skills before you fly for real. Investing in quality protective gear for both yourself and the aircraft will provide additional protections if something does happen to go wrong. Lastly, never lose sight of your drone. Keep it within line of sight and fly responsibly. By following these steps, you'll be sure to have a successful flight. Drones are a great way to get amazing aerial shots that would otherwise be impossible. If you're looking for a new hobby, drones are a great option. There are a lot of different types of drones available on the market, so it's important to do your research to find the right one for you. We have compiled some tips on how to choose the right drone and listed some of the best drones for beginners. Once you have your drone, make sure to read the manual and practice flying in an open area before taking it out in public. With proper care and safety precautions, flying a drone can be a fun and rewarding experience.
Here are a few drones you can check out. It's going to be an amazing experience. The Autel Robotics Evo 2. A foldable drone with a 4K camera and long-range capabilities. Autel Robotics has just unveiled its newest and finest drone, the Evo 2. This innovative piece of technology is capable of folding up for easy portability, and its 4K camera, along with its long-range capabilities, will allow adventurers to capture stunning imagery from the skies in a way never seen before. Its intuitive control system helps operators stay on top of the flying experience, ensuring that shots come out beautifully detailed and precise. The possibilities seem limitless with this groundbreaking innovation in drone technology, which makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to step up their photography skills with something truly advanced. The DJI Mavic Air 2, a consumer-friendly drone with a 4K camera and intelligent features for easier flying and better footage. With the launch of the DJI Mavic Air 2, consumers can now capture stunning aerial shots with ease. This consumer-friendly drone has plenty to offer for those seeking to improve their footage. Boasting a 4K camera with a half-inch CMOS sensor and an upgraded array of photography features such as 48-megapixel snaps, object tracking, or hyperlapse gives this drone the edge in capturing dynamic and creative shots from different angles. Additionally, its powerful flight system ensures easier piloting by equipping it with multiple intelligent features such as Active Track 3.0 and Smart Photo for improved performance and convenience. All of these features come together to create a perfect machine for beginners who want to take stunning footage without any prior experience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced drone flyer, the DJI Mavic Air 2 has something for everyone. And lastly, the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, a compact and portable drone with a high-quality camera and long-range capabilities. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual is an incredible piece of technology with its combination of portability and powerful features. This drone is one of the most efficient tools available to capture high-quality aerial photography and video footage, allowing you to take your filming projects to the next level. Its dual cameras provide excellent visibility when recording in HD, and its extended range means that it can venture away from the controller for longer periods. Plus, its smart design allows this drone to fit nicely into a backpack when you're on the go. With all these impressive features, there's no doubt that the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual is a clear choice for anyone looking for a powerful, compact drone. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.